another way of doing the slime. Just roll it first. That's how it looks like. And then stretch it while you're rolling it. So it should look something. It should look like this. So, and then I'm going to do it. Now you're just going to swirl it like that. I have enough time for you guys to watch a video, so. What are you going to do?